Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me.
Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter to chase it away.
So in today's video, I will be creating a very glamorous wall art decor piece for this season. If you are interested in seeing how I created and achieved the beautiful wall decor you saw on the thumbnail, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
When were you gonna tell?
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing amazing, because I am doing great. So to start with this project, I am using these Dollar Tree plates I got from the Dollar Tree, and I got each one of these for $1. And I'm using the glue gun to just put some glue at the end and definitely tape it down to my foam board. I got the foam board from the Dollar Tree as well. And so I'll repeat this process until all the plates have been glued onto the foam board. Please stay tuned and watch as I show you how to do this.
Baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't.
So I would like to use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hello and welcome. Please dust your feet and come on right in. I hope you're here to stay. And if you're liking it up to this point, you know what to do, right? Supposed to hit that like button. Please do support your girl. Tell me something nice. Tell me something that I don't know. Tell me something sweet down below. Give me a big like, of course. Comment silver plates down below. I would love to see it. And please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you would always be notified every single time I upload videos like this. And for my OGs on this channel, I do appreciate you so much. Thank you for always sticking around with me. You know I heart you. You know I love you. Thank you for your constant support. Your support is so much important to me. So at this point, I'm going in with the glue gun and adding some broken glass that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. So if you've watched up to this point, please comment GLAM down below. I would love to see it, and I hope you guys enjoy how this wall art turned out. I hope you love it, because I am loving every bit of it. I did not have enough broken glass to put all over, so I just put it in the middle, and the ends, like the top most and the bottom most part, do not have any glass in it, but it still looked beautiful. I liked it, and yeah, this is what the end product looks like. Please, if you do like it, give me a thumbs up. Tell me something nice below. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for your constant support. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.
I know I'm coming back. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where